Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So many times we feel difficult or stuck in creating the Instagram story videos as we don't know what to create and what story to create which will impact the target audience of our interest, right? So I'm going to solve this problem today. So I'm going to share a case study which will help you out to solve this problem by showcasing the unique features and benefits of your products or services to target your customer persona. So the customer persona means you need to have an idea about the demographics of the customer, like his age, location, gender, etc. So now let's get started. So guys, let's dive into ChatGPT. So I'm here. I'm just typing hi. It gives hello. How can I assist you today? Right. So here I'm giving the command to ChatGPT. You can see here. So here you can see that I'm looking for an Instagram story idea that will showcase the unique features and benefits of my insurance services to my ideal customer of IT manager with income 50,000 and age is between 25 to 60 who lives in India and his pain point is not able to save money and the solution is making aware him with my insurance saving plan of LIC company so in a creative and engaging format. So in place of here you can give your targeted customer whoever it may be and his income age group and etc and also like what is his pain point what he want to what is his problem you need to know that and once you know the problem then you need to have a solution for that to how to solve it. So here you can see here I'm going to share my pain point like he is not able to save money. So I'm and the solution for is I'm going to make aware him to for my insurance plan, which will really solve his problem, right? So I'm going to click enter. Let's see what ChatGPT gives video script for this. You can see here it's giving entire video script. It shows like tells to include graphics or animations and call to action button, which encourages the customer to take an action, and also like catchy headline, which will impact the person. So in this way, we can create your Instagram story idea. So let's take another one more example. So guys, you can see here I'm looking for an Instagram story idea which will showcase the unique features and benefits of my furniture products to my ideal customers of people who are interested to buy the furnitures with income 50k. Same, I'm keeping the same details. And here you can see here, the problem is he's not able to get the right furniture and my solution is like I'm going to make him aware with my company's furniture products which have very good quality and good prices. So create a script in creative and engaging way. Just click enter. You can see here guys it is giving enter script for that for Instagram idea. You can see here in the third point unique features of your furniture products, for example like materials, quality of materials used and durability of products and affordability of prices, etc. So in this way you can create any video Instagram video script guys. So I am going to include the script in the description of the video, so try it out. Thanks for watching.